Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to trade some manually for pocket option. I had a terrible session today. I actually lost some money and that's not normal for me. Over a year I only had 6 losing sessions, so this was new for me. But does not matter. I'm now going to do some big trading on pocket option and let's see if we can turn this around, at least make profit for the day. So I will now trade a little. You can use this broker also. Just use the link you see up here right now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. On your first deposit, you will get 50% extra on your deposit. Also, the link you see up there is actually for my session, so you can follow me. You sign up for the broker, everything there, okay? Also, if you find these videos entertainment and you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So, like I said, make sure you turn on the bell notification also, because I do my best to make these videos as entertainment as possible. And yes, it's a real account. So now let's see what we can do here now. We are now looking for our trade. We will take a buy trade down here. Let me move this line up here now. And I will do a sell trade in the one up here. So now let's wait and see how this turns out. I'm ready. So I will push higher here now. Let's wait and see. Let's see now. Almost down to my line. I'm in there, $2,000. Now let's see. This will fix my trading session for today. Let's see. We need to wait more 20 seconds. Let's hope we go up now. If we go below it, I will actually win one more time because I believe this line is super good. Let's take it there. Now let's see. I still believe in the line. Now let's see. And 10 more seconds. Then at least you're turning profit. And there we have it. So I think we did 2 winning trades. Let's see. There we made it. 2 big trades. So here you see the session. I did some, like I said, I can get emotions also. See what I did there. I start with 50, 100, 200, Don't do that. Take the first loss and forget about it. Okay? Don't do this. So now I wanted to repair this. You see, now I have repaired it. Now I found yet again a beautiful line, and I have a beautiful line up there. So now we have repaired it. Now we turn profit for the day. This did annoy me so much. I'm not used to be losing in binary option, and I'm not going to start today. I was thinking, no, I'm not going to start today. I was thinking I have a big account. $2,000 is a decent normal trades for me for this account. So now I was thinking, follow the rules, take the trades properly. And as we did go a little below, yes, I could go in one more time because it makes sense, because I was pretty sure I would win that trade. So now let's go. So now let's see what type of result we get for today. Let's change for today. Let's apply. So first of all, I promise in the future in my sessions I will not go crazy, because you can see here now I will move myself away from the picture. Let me see, there, move me a little to the side like this. Okay, now let's see. So you can see I will not do martingale more. My emotions did get the better of me. But I know if I trade properly, if I keep to the rules, our win rate is high. This is because I did martingale, so we got a few losses in a row just because I did mistakes. and I will not do that again. So I promise in the future sessions I will not do martingale, just take the $50 loss and be happy with that. So now let's see, as I did take these beautiful trades here now, as I know we can trade easily with 2000 in this balance, I just keep it low in my sessions. So now let's go down, let's see. So there we have it. We made a profit of $798 today. So this is, just keep to the rules. Don't do what I did in my session today. Do not use martingale. I promise I will not do that again. I will just take one and one trade, keep to my rules of support, resistance of specific areas to trade, and we make money. Okay, so now I have now 6 losses in 1 year in sessions. I've been showing my screen for 1 year now. I've been trading for 15 years, but for this is the first time actually I have done a big mistake of martingale. The other times I traded, I lost. The other 5 times I lost just a few dollars, not much. But this time around I lost a big amount. That's why I needed to repair it. I don't like to have a minus day. You don't need to repair your losing days because you're not going to martingale like I did. So keep your emotions in check. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you did enjoy. We did some bigger trades now, and I see you tomorrow.